What's up, patrons? Welcome back, man. I got another special video for you guys today. Now, today's video, of course, is grown person's business, you feel me? So you definitely might want to take some notes, how to use your sexual energy to manifest, okay? So the first thing I want to say about this, right, because this is a topic that a lot of people don't understand, and what I'm about to tell you in this video is very powerful. It's very powerful, and men can use it and women can use it as well. And you don't even need to have a partner to use this technique, but it is more powerful when you have a partner that is vibrating on the same frequency as you when you're using this technique. This is a technique that I have used personally in my life. I told you guys how last year at around this time in May, when I quit my job, I was using a lot of manifestation techniques, including scripting and sexual transmutation. I told you guys this, and in 30 days I manifested $10,000. So this is real. This is real and it works. Okay, so today we are talking about sexual energy. Sexual energy is so powerful because you have to understand that when you are having sex, you are in your godhood. You are an extension of the Most High. So when you are in the act of having sex, you have the ability to create life. This is why there's such a power to men, to when men practice semen retention, because they're holding in their life force. Their life force is, you know, our semen that creates life. We put life in a woman, and the woman has the ability to birth the life. This is why it's so powerful to have a union between the feminine, the divine feminine, and the divine masculine. Okay, so first I'm gonna talk about men using this technique, and then I'm gonna talk about women. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna do ladies first. You know, ladies first, right? Where are my manners? So women, this is a very powerful technique that you can use when you're trying to manifest. You see, a woman's sexual organs is actually much more sensitive than a man's. And so women have the ability to have multiple orgasms, multiple climaxes. Women can go on and on and on and on, right? So this is why it's so powerful when a woman practices abstinence, because she's holding in all of that emotion, all of that energy. Now, if you've been subscribed to me for a while, I've spoken about the Hidden Gospel of Thomas. And in the Hidden Gospel of Thomas, it talks about the way to manifest is by pairing your thoughts and your emotions together. They must become one, because emotions are energy in motion, and energy in motion moves, okay? It moves things on a quantum level. So whenever you hold in your libido, your sexual desires, and you actually release it and you climax, you are creating, whether you know it or not. This is why you have to be very careful about who you have sex with, because you are literally swapping souls. You're putting soul ties with the other person that you're having sex with, that you're doing this sacred act with, right? And so as you're climaxing, you can use this technique right here. While you're having sex, you want to be
peace, love, and life, family. To get access to my raw, uncut content, swing by my Patreon at patreon.com/DudleyDuds. On my Patreon, we are a tight-knit community dedicated to personal development and overall ascension. Due to YouTube's policy and guidelines, a lot of my educational content that's waking people up cannot be posted. So consider becoming a member today, and let's get it popping.